My project is analyzing the water extractable phosphorus for the Northeast Wisconsin Soil Quality Index. I chose this topic because I was working on a team to analyze the amount of phosphorus that comes out of the farm fields for the Lower Fox Farm Demonstration Network. My method of research follows a study that was previously done at Cornell University. We use the method that they use because it reproduces the rainfall that happens in the Wisconsin area. Our hypothesis was that the water extractable phosphorus was going to have a high correlation with the amount of phosphorus that's in the soil. What we found was that it actually did have a high correlation, and because of that, if we know the amount of phosphorus that's inside of the soil, we can make approximations on the amount of water extractable phosphorus that's going to come out. We also found that fields with high manure application actually had excessive amounts of phosphorus, and that can actually create problems in the future. There were a lot of time constraints. I was only allowed to work so many hours during the week on this project, and it required a lot of time and effort. I'd have to thank my team for their help. There were a couple of graduate students that helped me along the way as well. It's a really time-involved process. Each sample takes about 2 hours to work on, and there were 219 samples that we had to analyze. So it was a big challenge. The impact I see is farmers making a great change on their manure application and the amount of phosphorus that they have running out of their fields. Hopefully in the future they can adjust that and actually help revitalize the bay and make those dead zones a little bit smaller. My career goals are to work on a research and development team for a pharmaceutical company. This isn't necessarily pharmaceuticals, but the research definitely helps me along, and the challenges that are associated with research definitely were a great learning experience.